Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. It is another weigh-in day today, and I just wanted to come on here and say thank you to all of my new subscribers and followers. I appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the red button at the bottom so you can see all my videos. And if you want to be notified when the upload happens, hit that little bell icon. Okay, so before we get started, as always, I like to just talk to you a little bit about either the week or what's coming up. And OMG, guys, tomorrow is the big day. I get to meet and eat. That is right. I am starting a new thing on my channel, which I described maybe 1 or 2 videos ago, where I go out on the road and I meet some of you guys and we sit down and we have a meal together. So instead of a meet and greet, it's kind of a meet and eat. So this way you guys get to see what I eat when I go out, and yeah, it's gonna be exciting. So tomorrow is the first one. This is a special person, and I guess I can say her name. It is Carolyn. If any of you guys follow me on social media, you probably see her comment a lot. She has been such an amazing person in my life over the past few years. We talk pretty much every day, and I consider her a friend, and that's what happens with this amazing world of YouTube and social media. You meet people that you never ever would have met before, and I think it's so exciting, and I have been looking forward to this for so long, and now that we have planned it and it's already coming up tomorrow, yikes! So excited, I can't wait. So I am gonna be vlogging this and I will post it up on my channel so you can see how that goes. And if any of you live nearby in the area, New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, you know, because I'm in Jersey, so right now I'm not gonna be traveling across the country, but in that area, I've already talked to some of you about it. One that lives down in Philly, two that live in New York. So we're gonna start planning those, and if that's something you guys want to see, leave a comment below, because I'm not gonna do all this crazy filming if it's something that you don't want to see. So anyway, but you will see tomorrow, because that is gonna be special. So moving on, you guys know I wear eyelash extensions, and it is coming to the point now where it's almost 6 months, and I know that that's the official time where you're supposed to take them off and give your eyelashes a break. So in order to prepare myself for that, I just wanted to show you something that I have started using as of yesterday. It is called Eyelash. It's an eyelash serum. I didn't know how expensive this was until I bought it. It ranges from like 90 bucks for a tube to like 100 and something, depending on where you get it from. I got this from the salon and the girl that does my eyes, and it was a lot less expensive there. They discount it, so I got this tube. This is a 2 milliliter, which is a 0.7 fluid ounce tube. I believe this is the large one. I just want to show this to you. And this is what the tip looks like. It's just a tiny little paintbrush. And once a day at night, you don't need to double dip. You just pull it out and you go right on the lash line, and then that's it. You go to sleep. And it says within 4 weeks, your eyelashes become longer, stronger, thicker, and more volume. So I'm trying this out because before I got these eyelash extensions, my eyelashes were starting to get very sparse and thin. And obviously that just comes with age, because I take care of my skin and my eyes and things like that. But I notice as I'm getting older, the lashes here in the front were starting to either, you know, our eyelashes cycle and they fall out and they grow back. That's normal for everybody. So when you're missing lashes, it's usually just its natural progression. But I noticed that they weren't growing back as thick. So hoping this helps. If you have used Eyelash, any Eyelash, or any kind of eyelash serum, let me know below, because I'd love to hear your experience. I didn't get any tingling sensation, no dryness, no redness. It was painless. It was just a nice thick serum. You put right on your lash line, you close your eyes, you go to sleep. That was it. So we're looking forward to this. I'm gonna probably take these off after Thanksgiving and then get a new set on right before Christmas. So that's that. All right, let's get to the week. This week, in order to finally hit my goal of 40 pounds, I have incorporated the training back into my regime. I have been back at the gym. I have been doing lightweight, more reps instead of the heavyweight, less rep venue. That's the way I want to go with things right now because I'm just getting back into that. It went very well, very sore. I did chest and triceps and some shoulders, and yeah, they still hurt after 2 days. So definitely noticed a decrease in strength and wasn't too happy about it, but you know, it's part of it. It's all part of it. I haven't really been weightlifting at all, other than a few times during this whole process. It's pretty much just been a bunch of cardio, walking, swimming, you know, light cardio. So that was exciting. Anyway, because of my age once again and the perimenopause thing, I was supposed to have Aunt Flo come last weekend. She didn't come and she's not here again. So I don't know if it's gonna come, but I do feel a little bit of bloated and just, you know, like that moody, like I feel like all week that I was gonna have it, but it never came. So yeah. So I don't know, that I think may have affected my weight loss, but let's hear what happened. Ready? Drum roll, please. That's right, guys. It was a 0.1 loss this week, making my total weight loss 39.3 pounds. How can I complain? It's the journey. So I feel like I want to chalk this up to the weightlifting, because you know when you start working out again, you can add on some extra water to your body, and the Aunt Flo situation, because my eating was dead on. I actually increased my water intake too, so that was good. So I am 0.7 away from goal. Oh my God, if I don't hit that this week, it's getting so frustrating. You know, when you get down, it's harder to lose the weight. And it's getting a little frustrating, but I'm not quitting. I'm not giving up. This is a journey. So now I feel like I'm on the second part of my journey with the back in the gym training, because I want to now sculpt and I want to finally get into that physique competition that I want to do. I'm doing it no matter what, but I just need to get myself ready for it, because there's no way that I can get on stage looking like this. I have absolutely, like, barely any musculature left. It's just has all atrophied since I stopped working out. That's the thing. You can't stop working out, guys. So that's where I'm headed. Another week upcoming here. Like I said, tomorrow will be the meet and eat with Carolyn, and I'm so excited. We picked a restaurant. We're each driving 2 hours to meet in Connecticut, and so it should be fun. So looking forward to that. If any of you guys are gonna ask about this little zip-up hoodie, the zipper stops here. It's one of those. It has a hood. This thing is how adorable. This is from Walmart, and it was $10. And it's one of those really thick, fleecy, warm, I love this thing. It's cold this morning here, and so yeah, I just think it's so cute. I might just wear the hood up to the end of the video. All right, guys, so anyway, that's the scoop. If you have any questions, leave them below, but I would love to hear about the eyelash serum and the meet and eat, if you're interested in that. And that's it. So I'll see you next week. Hopefully we have a better loss, and obviously between now and then, you will see the video that I make for tomorrow with meeting my new live friend. You know, like you meet somebody online and they're a person, but until you meet them in person, it's like they're just an internet person, which is so strange. But I can't wait to give that woman a hug. So, all right, guys, you guys have a wonderful day. We're hitting, I think today we're gonna do the pumpkin patch, because the last time we were supposed to go, we didn't. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna go see some baby animals and do that kind of thing. So I'll probably take some pictures and post that. And that's it. So have a great day. I love you all. Stay focused, and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.